Going out of the house these days, no be am at all. All the work where I get to do, I try do am from inside house. But a few times, like once or twice a week, I got to comot to go the neighborhood store to buy food and other essentials. And when I'm out, I avoid crowded places and try to be at least 2 meters away from people. And me too. If I'm sick, I stay at home. But when I'm out and I feel like I want to cough or sneeze, I do that into my flexed elbow. Or I cough or sneeze into a tissue that I will dispose of in a bin. If I see person where I know on my close paddy, I dey hail them from far. You see, my people, it will take heroes to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Be a superhero. Save your friends and family, community and country from coronavirus disease known as COVID-19. You are the superhero that Nigeria is waiting for. Will you answer the call?